Have you ever noticed that the sound of the ocean can be soothing? Playing relaxing sounds in your background during the day can have a calming effect on your psyche. If you own an Amazon Alexa, you can say, "Alexa, play me relaxing sounds," and it'll cycle through various nature sounds, such as a babbling brook and birdsong. If you don't have an Amazon Alexa, consider downloading an app called Relax Melodies that allows you to customize over 50 nature noises and other soothing sounds that can be played simultaneously or individually. Another option is to get one of these lamps like I have. It's a Himalayan salt lamp, which has a soothing glow to it, and it's got the ocean playing right now, as you can hear. And you can leave that on throughout the day or in the evening as you're reading, whatever. Playing calming sounds can help you maintain a more relaxed and less stressful presence during the day, and it can also help you fall asleep at night.